Okay, it looks like we're gonna have a course change for 2013. Here's the spillway, and we still have the same crossing of the spillway, where you'll come right up here like normal, but then this is brand new steps. They've put steps in here. So you come up these steps, more new steps. Now right here, to the right, is the old 50K, 25K course trail, and what you can see is they put a whole bunch of branches and trees all the way up it, right up the path that we ran the last two times. That is being completely blocked off. So we'll be going this way. So we'll have a course change, coming to the left here instead of straight up. And we go a little bit further, and there's more steps. So this will actually be probably a slightly easier, well, I don't know if it's really easier. I guess if you say having steps makes it easier, that'll be nice. A little bit easier footing, I would say, on this part. I don't think it changes the distance at all. But it is our first official course change. I guess I'll have to put an asterisk by every course record from now on, huh? And we come up and just continue on as we did before. There to the right, you can see that's the old trail. All the trees that they've put there to block it. So that's exciting for 2013.